Hello viewers, welcome to my channel WordPress Bangladesh. Today I will show how to create website gallery in WordPress site using nextgen gallery. So first of all, thanks to watch my video. Please subscribe my channel. Now I am in my WordPress site dashboard. First I will set up the plugin nextgen gallery. So I click the plugin, click add new. Here I am searching nextgen gallery, then click enter. After that, install this plugin. Okay, install now. Please see installing installed. Now I active this plugin. Okay, welcome to nextgen gallery. Plugin is already installed. So from the left menu after set up the plugin, here is showing the gallery. Okay, then from here click add gallery or image, create new gallery. Okay, this is the gallery name. I am set here test1. Now click gallery image file. This one, select all, open, uploading. When upload, status showing done. Upload, then start upload. Okay, check 100%. Very fast uploading because of image size is not big. Please check. Upload complete. 8 images were uploaded successfully. Our name was test1. Now I am creating a page for gallery. Gallery test. Okay. Now click here add gallery. Now click nextgen basic thumbnail, nextgen image browser, image tag, nextgen basic compact image. It's up to you. Okay, I select nextgen basic thumbnail. What would you like to display? Click here gallery. Okay, gallery. So gallery name, click here test1. Okay, customize the display setting. You can customize image per page. Okay, slideshow link text, show slideshow. You can set, it's up to you. I am here writing test1. Okay, insert display gallery, insert it. Now click published. Okay, published. Now click the view. Check awesome gallery created. You can click here. Okay, click here for next. Click here. Very nice gallery created by WordPress nextgen gallery. Please check our gallery page here is not added. So now I am adding our gallery page or gallery column here, my gallery menu here. From the appearance menu, gallery test, add menu, add to menu, save menu. Check now. Here is the gallery test. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I think this video will helpful for create any gallery in your WordPress site. Okay, bye bye.